So you want to build a website. And as you've talked to people about where to begin, they may have recommended WordPress because it's easy, they said. But once you dive into it, you realize it's a lot more complicated than you thought. You need a web host, the WordPress software itself, a theme, and maybe some plugins. And making it all work together, especially if you're not a developer, well, it's just not as easy as they made it sound. And these days, who's got time to waste searching Google or YouTube for homemade videos filled with uhs and ums? Well, the good news is that WordPress 101 is different. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business site for your company, or even an online store, this course will teach you all the fundamentals of how to use WordPress to build your own website today. Each video builds on concepts from the one before, so we recommend that you watch the videos in order. But you're more than welcome to pick and choose. And when you need a break, just pause and then pick up right where you left off. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build and manage your own WordPress website. You'll learn how to use the all-new block editor in WordPress 5 and up to create media-rich custom layouts. And you'll be comfortable adding images and using the customizer to personalize the design of your site. Best of all, you're not alone. You don't have to learn in a vacuum. Every day, I answer WordPress questions from our members in our help forum. So when you need help, just reach out and we'll do our best to get you back on your way. All right, when you're ready to get started, jump to the next video where we answer the question, what is WordPress?